Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace the AC compressor on Honda Odyssey 3.5 engine. We have that 2007 model here, but I think it will be the same procedure for many models from, I believe, from 05 to 2010. Stay with us guys. We'll start on it now. Please subscribe and help us grow the channel together. Okay guys, first we will need to remove the serpentine belt in order to remove and replace the compressor. So stay with us, we'll do that now. So this is way to remove the belt, okay, is from the bottom of the vehicle. This is the serpentine belt. What will be really convenient guys is to actually have it on a jack stand and remove the tire, but we'll do it without removing the tire this time. So let me show you what you need to do now. You need to remove your fender underliner here, the splash piece, splash guard, and you need to get a 19mm, okay, right there. You can see 19mm, and this is the tensioner pulley, and we're going to compress that choke now, okay? And you compress it quite a bit. You need to put quite a bit of pressure so we can remove the belt. So guys, this is pretty much a two-person job. One needs to apply the pressure on the belt, and one will just slide it off, okay, like that. I just did it from the top while one person was applying pressure on the bottom. You can see, because that thing it takes quite a bit of pressure, I'm honest with you. So we remove the belt now, okay. You can just pull it out from the bottom, okay, and this is the belt right here. So now we are going to disconnect the wire for the clutch for the AC compressor. Okay, you can see where it is right there. So you push on the notch there and you pull. Okay, so we disconnected it. It's out of the way now. Okay, so the AC compressor is right there on the bottom. Okay, so we'll need to disconnect the hoses now. Okay, super limited room guys. Let me see how I can make it a little bit better so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, you can see this is one of the hoses there. We're going to remove that nut, okay, with a 10mm socket now, an extension. Make sure you don't have any pressure in the system. Vacuum it down, because if you have Freon, it's going to explode in your face. Okay, this one is pretty tight, so we'll need to actually get the ratchet for it. Again, make sure you don't have any Freon. If you do, it's going to be dangerous, because when you remove that nut, the hose will get loose and all that pressure will come out and you get sprayed with Freon. So always vacuum the system down. Make sure it's empty before you do that. Okay, the nut is loose now. Okay, out of the way now. We have one bolt on top with a 10mm wrench. You see it in a little bit. So now we'll pull that hose out of the way. Just need to shake it a little bit and it will come out. Okay, like that. So we'll just keep it out of the way. Make sure you don't get it dirty. You don't get any mud or anything like that inside of it. Now we need to remove that bolt there for the other hose with 10mm wrench. Okay, got this one loose now. Okay, out of there. So we need to remove the holes as well. Just shake them again, pull it up. Always inspect the seals, make sure they're good before you install the new compressor. Okay, like that. Oh, you guys, we need 13mm socket now. Okay. So actually it's 12mm, guys. Okay, and we're going to remove 4 bolts now. Oh, and careful, those tend to get tight. Okay, and once they get loose, they usually go pretty easy. There is 2 on the bottom, 2 on top. Okay, and once we remove those, we'll proceed with the next step and I'll show you what you need to do. It's really hard to show you exactly where they are, but once we pull the compressor out, I will be able to show you on the old compressor. Okay guys, we're getting them out now. Such a limited room, guys. I wish I had more room to show you. Okay, 4 bolts, remember. Okay, and the compressor is there now. You can see, you can move it around. Okay guys, we've heard people being able to pull them through here. Okay, we couldn't. So what we did, we just got this one loose, 1 revolution. We removed these 2 bolts with 17mm socket. Do not remove that bolt all the way because your suspension will drop. Twist that one to the side. Okay, now we have that wire here. Okay, that we'll need to remove that clip. Okay, so we don't damage it. Okay, perfect. And now we should be able to get that compressor out of here. Let's see if that works. Okay, just need to wiggle it out of here now and eventually it will come out. We just want to make sure we don't damage the wire. Okay guys, right there. You can see we got it out. So these are the 4 bolts that we were talking about. Those are on top, those are on bottom. So all we have to do, guys, now, put the new one through the hole again, the same way, install the belt, get everything tight, refill the system, and you'll be ready to go, guys. That's how you remove it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.